Hey guys, it is Andrea, and today I am coming at you with a big old kids clothing haul. Well, toddler boy clothing haul. I guess he's a toddler or baby or something. I think they might call it, I don't know. What is Bennett? He's like 14 months old. But I'm really excited to show you guys some of the stuff that I got. I always get questions when you guys do see bits and pieces of him, where I buy his clothes, because I also am super picky about his clothes. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys some of my favorite places to buy kids clothing. So I'm going to start first with Target, I think. So I did pick up a couple of things today actually from Target, which Target is great for like affordable pieces that are still like super trendy. I got him some joggers. These are a 12-month. The problem with Bennett with a lot of clothes is he has a really small waist, but he's really long. So these are going to be kind of like, look like, you know, when's the flood coming on him. But as far as like the waist, like it kind of matters more to me that they don't fall down than them being too short. So I got him these. They're really cute, like mustard chartreuse color. So I thought those were really cute. I also got them in another color, which I don't know where those are. They might be on the bottom of the pile, so we're gonna have to like skip around a little. I did get him another color. I feel like it'd be good to have those. Yeah, they're right here. I wanted to get them in black too, but they didn't have a 12-month size. He actually doesn't have a ton of 12-month pants for some reason. I feel like I kind of like missed the boat on that one. And these are only, I think, like $5, $5.50. Sorry if you can hear them in the background. They're just playing downstairs, and it's kind of impossible to be like, do not make a noise. The next one, I bought him this set of pajamas from Target. I think it was like $15 or something like that, or $16.99, and they are Star Wars pajamas, which I thought were really cute. I am kind of obsessed with pajamas, and I've been banned to buy any more 12-month pajamas. I've been buying 2T, so these will fit him probably around August-ish, and we do keep it cooler in the house. It does come with a short sleeve and a long sleeve. We keep it cooler in the house, so you could kind of get away with wearing either all year round, depending on the inside, but I mean, it could go either way. Then I got him this jacket, which I saw at Target. When it comes to kid clothes, which I think I mentioned in his room tour, I think that'll be up before this, is that I like to buy in advance, so I kind of have all of it done whenever the time comes. Not that I'm like, oh man, he just ran out of pants, which I had to do for 12 months. So I got this in a 2T, and I also didn't see it in a smaller size, and he has quite a few jackets in a 12-month size. But I thought this would be really cool with like a white t-shirt and a pair of like black skinny jeans or black joggers, just as kind of like something like unique and different. Also, what else did I get from Target? I don't think anything else is from Target. I think I have some stuff here from H&M. So the first thing that I have here, this is a 1.5 to 2 years, so I guess like 18 months to 2 years. And it is a little Cars, I don't think this is technically pajamas. It's more like, I guess, playwear maybe. But I'll probably put him in this just to kind of like lounge around, go to Target, whatever. But I thought it was really cute. Nick really likes Cars, so I decided to pick that up. It does come with a bib. Bennett has never liked socks or bibs, so I might see if maybe Kirsten wants these for the next baby or just donate them, either which way. Speaking of Kirsten's new baby, I did pick this up at H&M. I thought it was so cute. But this says, I love my daddy, and this is size 1 to 2 months. I think H&M sizing is super weird when it comes to kids, but it says, I love my daddy. It comes, I think it was $24, but it came with a hat, a shirt, a long sleeve onesie, and a long sleeve button sleeper, which is like, I'm sorry, Kirsten, but it was really cute. And then also a pair of pants. I thought that was a pretty good deal. And it's super cute, super gender neutral as well, because as of right now, I don't know, I feel like I put too much dry shampoo in, but as of right now, I and Kirsten, and we don't know the gender, so I think this is pretty gender neutral. Obviously, I mean, even if it was pink, I'm sure she would put it on a boy. So this is another one of those like little ensembles, set ensemble. And this one was $17.99 from H&M. I feel like a lot of stores are doing like Disney collabs, so you can find Disney everywhere. Even I think most of the places that I shop, you can find Disney stuff. So really liked this, and I liked that the pants were just blue, like they didn't have anything on them, so you can wear those with a lot of things. And I also kind of like the shape of these pants, so they kind of have like the bigger crotch area to accommodate to diaperness with like the tighter bottoms. And they do seem to be, I think, a little on the long side, which will end up being nice. Then I got him another one of these ensembles, and this is another Disney one. I really just love the Disney stuff, and I love all of the different Mickeys. I'm assuming this is kind of like a 90-year collab because it has a lot of the different, like, more original Mickeys, and you have like the Fantasia Mickey, like all different kinds of Mickeys. So I thought this was really cute and something that he can wear. I want to go to Disney again in April, so these are also outfit options for that. He'll definitely probably fit into these. The pants might be a little bit bigger on the waist, but maybe he'll get a big growth spurt. Then I also picked up these, which I thought were really cute. I wish they had them in more colors. I think they had like a really bright yellow and a really bright blue, but it's something I probably wouldn't put him in unless he asked to put in it. But these are like joggers, again, with the long crotch area and the like tighter ankles. And this is 1.5 to 2 years, which I feel like he's like coming to 1.5. And this is a little bit on the bigger side, but it also could just be the hanger. Let me see. Oh yeah, I guess the hanger does stretch him out quite a bit. So those, I can kind of see them fitting. He kind of runs about like 3 to 6 months behind on the pant sizes. So these will probably be good for like August, September, paired with a t-shirt. Okay, I can kind of see that working actually. Yeah, that probably would work. So really excited for those. And then last but not least, from H&M, I did also pick up this sweater. Again, like thinking ahead, this is 2 to 4 year. And this is a little Nintendo controller, which I thought was really cute. Again, something I think Nick would like. It was really soft on the inside, and it was $24.99, which is a little bit up there for a sweatshirt, but it is licensed, so I do get the appeal there. And then I have some stuff down here in a bag, which I'm just gonna pull from the bag, I think. So the first thing, I think I'll show you the River Island stuff, which is like my secret weapon when it comes to little boy clothes. I love River Island. They have cute girl clothes. I don't know if it would be my style if I did have a girl, but I do really like their boy clothes. So this is gonna be for next year. I just saw it and was in love with it. I just feel like it's just so cute. It's 18 to 24 months and it's a really, really adorable jacket. I don't remember the pricing on this. I feel like I might have taken the tags off of everything from here, but River Island pricing is not horrible. I would kind of relate it to, I think, like Gap pricing. But this was really cute. It has like a little stripe down the side with some like matte lettering. It has like some faux leather here, some faux fur here. I just thought it was super, super cute. Brian is texting Nick right now. I'm using Nick's phone to film because my phone has scratches all over it, so it makes it a little bit impossible to film. I'm just gonna pull everything out real quick. But I love River Island. Obviously, I can't shop in store. This is what Bennett did to this bag. I can't shop in store because I think they only have stores in Europe. I think only actually the UK possibly, but honestly, I feel like their shipping times aren't wild. I do have some stuff from Carter's too. Their shipping times aren't wild for being an international store, but I love their stuff. This is like ideally like most of the stuff I dress Bennett in is from River Island, and then I just throw in some Target, some H&M. Actually, that might be the first time I shopped at H&M since like when I was pregnant. And then also some Carter's, which I'll show you guys the stuff I got from Carter's then too, which is some really cute stuff. Is there more Target in here? No, this is all Carter's. So this is the first one, and it's a little black hoodie. Not hoodie, sweatshirt, and it says NYC with some flowers on it, which I thought this would be really cool with like some distressed like gray jeans would be really neat. And same thing with this one. It is a pink hoodie. I love Bennett in pink. I think it's so cute. I love Bennett and Nick in pink, and it says Mischief Maker with some R's on it, but I thought it was really cool. It has gold and pink, so it's very like something we can like mommy and me match, which mostly him and Nick match. And also what's cool about River Island too, I feel like a lot of their kids stuff is like longer, like they have longer t-shirts and things like that, which is also nice because Bennett is quite long. This isn't actually from River Island. This one's from River Island. So this is a Batman shirt. So I thought this was really cute. It kind of has like a little bit of a something going on here, but I thought it was cool just as like a regular t-shirt that is Batman. They do have some licensed products as well, some Disney stuff. This was really cool. It's like a Baroque, I don't know if that's the correct terminology for it, but shirt. Nick has shirts like this. I thought that was really cute. River Island, you could also find some like Daddy and Me stuff. So they'll have like a men's shirt and then a smaller one. We got this really, really cute marble one. I don't know if I have a picture of him. I might have a picture of him in it. And if I do, I'll insert it here, but I'm not sure if I have a picture of it. But it said like future and it had like tour dates on it. And there was like a big one and a little one, and it was adorable. So this is a little button up here with a really cool pattern. They have a lot of really cool pattern stuff. I feel like a lot of their clothes like look like more like street style adult clothes, which I really like. So it's like a camo drip shirt, which again I think would be cool with like black skinny jeans or black joggers. Realistically black joggers because jeans are hard with kids. And then this one's really cute. It's Mickey and has gold, but it's just kind of like cute and different. I really like this one, the gold and the gray. And I love the maroon. I love Bennett and Jewel tones. Love Nick and Jewel tones. And then this one is a Toy Story one. So again, another licensed product. But it has Buzz Lightyear in gold. It says To Infinity and Beyond. And I just think it's like a unique Toy Story shirt. So really cool. Then I got my Tupac shirt. I grew up listening to a lot of Tupac, and I just think this was really, really cute. And it's just something that I'm like definitely gonna need a picture of, because it's just something that reminds me of my childhood. And then there is Mickey Mouse shirt, so another Disney shirt. Again, just like a kind of different cool shirt. Okay, so then there is this sweatshirt, which is kind of like the one other shirt, but it's like a sweatshirt form. And again, I think this is so, so, so cute. I'm sorry if the lighting's weird too. I just felt like an iPhone was just way easier than a regular camera trying to like set it up. And I have an iPhone tripod. I don't know where my regular tripod is, but I thought this was really cute. Again, with some black joggers, or even like maybe like gray joggers. And then last but no, I got one more thing from River Island. I got this little Grinch shirt, which I thought was so funny. It has the Grinch, and it says this is me being jolly, which is funny because Bennett is like, if we take him to get his pictures taken, the kid does not smile. It doesn't happen. And then I got him these shoes, which are super cute. I think he can fit these soon. He has bigger feet. They're like pretty long, like he has long toes. So these are really cool. They have like I don't actually know if it's like real Sharpie or how they did it, but it looks like they are Sharpied, which I think is really cool. It gives it kind of like a cartoon look. So I got him those, and they obviously have the zips on the inside because lacing or tying shoes of a, 1.5-year-old almost is not ideal. And then, not almost 1.5, he'll be 1.5 in April, so don't rush it, Andrea. And then I did get this from Nordstrom. I don't buy a lot from Nordstrom. One, I don't think they carry a ton. That's like my favorite. My favorite brand, that I can get in store would have to be I think it's like Afton or Afton, and they have a boy and a girl, and I think both of them are beautiful, from Target. Really soft stuff. Anytime I find something on clearance, like I found the shorts, they like, again, are like tight on the like leg area, so they are not like billowing everywhere. And then they have like the big diaper butt area. I bought like every single size when they were on clearance for like $6, so I really like that for like buying stuff in person. I don't find a lot in Nordstrom. I feel like a lot of it runs very like cutesy, which is like fine if that's something he wants to pick out. But while I have an opinion, I like to dress him like his daddy. So this is a really cool black with kind of like a tie-dye splatter from Nordstrom. It's from the brand Munster, which I have bought stuff from them before. I think it's one of the, one or two brands that Nordstrom carries for kids that I actually like. I like a lot more of their girl stuff. I got a lot of stuff from Avery from Nordstrom. When she was a baby, I like their tea. Is it tea or tea? Line or something like that. I feel like it looks one way, but it's actually pronounced another. But I got a lot of stuff from her from that brand. So, and then also there's like another brand. I can't think of what it's called, but they usually have a display for it, and I really like, but that's mostly for girl stuff. I mostly like other stuff, and especially like for the price. If I don't love it, I'm not going to buy it at Nordstrom. So then I have a couple of things from Carter's. Me and Kirsten and I went for Black Friday. Is it all from Carter's? No, there's Carter's and Old Navy. So I got this for Bennett from Carter's, and it was super cute. I like it. I don't like flannel a ton, but I thought this looked like very modern, very like almost like farmhouse modern. And it had little patches on the sleeve. And again, I'll probably put him, actually I might put him in some nicer gray pants for that one for the holidays, or maybe even like New Year's Day or something. Then I got some more pajamas. These are in a 2T because did I tell you guys I was banned from buying pajamas because I buy so many pairs of pajamas for him. I mean, pajamas are probably the most affordable like kids piece besides like onesies. And he wears them until they get holes in the knees, so he goes through them. But I got these in a 2T. Again, I'll be prepared for next year because I like to start putting him in Christmas pajamas as soon as he can fit them. And then these are funny, so it's like Santa and his pants. I did get some stuff from Old Navy as well. Is this all the rest of the stuff from Old Navy? Yes. So I did get some stuff from Old Navy on Black Friday. I did get him some socks. He needed socks. Again, he will not keep socks on. We had to buy him pants that have socks connected for when we go places because he won't wear socks. He won't wear shoes. He'll just pull them off. So we really have to start working on that. But I did get him some basic socks from Old Navy. So these are the 6-pack in 12 to 24 months, so 6 pairs of socks. And then I did get him a couple shirts. So I got him this one. I thought this was really funny. I think I got this in a 2T. Yep. again, shopping ahead, so whenever the time comes, it's all ready for him to move up. And I also like to kind of like pre-prep his closet, like I showed in the video where I put all of his soon to be coming up stuff so I can start pulling, because he can start wearing some of the bigger pieces earlier, get a little bit more wear out of them. So this is a long sleeve Mickey shirt, and then I also got him this short sleeve Mickey shirt that is Christmas, and I think these were both in 2T. And I also can start like looking in the like boys section, because most of H&M, Old Navy, Gap, I think even Carter's is like the sizing's all over the place. They carry some things everywhere, but most of those places, the 18 and 12 months are in the baby section, so a lot of the like little boy stuff they don't carry in those sizes. So 2T is a kind of fun area to be shopping in. So this is another Mickey shirt, just a plain black Mickey shirt. And then last thing in this haul, quite a long haul, is this, which is so cute. I think Kirsten might have like pointed this out, and it is a gray long sleeve shirt with a little bow tie, which will look adorable. And I think I might put him in black jeans with this if I have some black jeans for him. This would be really cute. So this is a 18 to 24 months, so we have a little bit, but he does get a lot of pictures taken, so that'll be really cute, which is kind of ironic because I don't post pictures of him, but he has a ton of pictures of him. So that's everything for this haul. I'm going to try and leave the places I linked down below. Again, we have River Island, Target, Carter's, and Old Navy, and H&M. So that's pretty much where I shop. Again, H&M I normally don't go to, but Ben and I were bored today when we were on our little date. So that's everything for this haul. I hope you guys like it, and let's get on to the Advent. Advent time, day 7, and let's open up this one. This is one of my favorite journaling cards in here. So this is a foiled one. Just a fun fact, you can't do manufactured foil and double-sided as far as I know. I haven't been able to find anybody. If anybody knows, let me know. But how cool is this? So you have that one, which is single-sided. And then this is another sheet from my shop, which is a summer-themed bucket list. And this is in gold, again, with J. Crew Plan's handwriting. And I wanted to keep, you know, it kind of like no holiday specific, but just kind of general, summertime bucket list items. And you have some bows on the bottom, which are super cute. So that is the first sheet, and they are on our normal clear paper with our gold foil. And then day 7 from the Giving Girl are some header overlays. So these are, I don't know, I mean, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 14 times 28 glitter header overlays, which are super cute. They have different kinds of stars, circles, stuff like that in them, which are adorable in gold foil, which is super cute. Definitely can use these.